So
beautiful snow day.
Right now, you really have to layer up for something like this.
Oh, yeah. Gotta watch Alex, Holly, and Mike jerk. Cause Mike, he love the black girls. And then we got don't worry about the brand. Ooh. Don't worry about the brand, but we're gonna make homemade McGriddles today. It's my McGriddle pan. Get you one. I got it from. Forgot where I got it from, but you can find this with Dash. You see them all the time. Got the bacon cooking in the oven because that's the best way to make bacon. And what's this say? I'm only going to make, I only need for like my McGriddles. So we're going to do the 3 to 4 pancakes. But instead of water, I'm using milk and milk. Let go. A little bit, way more mix than I said. This is half a cup of mix. I probably put a whole cup of mix because I kept adding it because I want a certain consistency, which looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna add some cinnamon sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract. There you go. All right, let's see. We're just gonna eyeball this. We're just gonna eyeball. Okay, not too bad. And then I don't want a whole capful because this isn't a lot of pancakes. So like a half a cup, like that, you know. Ooh, if you could smell it. Oh my God, it smells like a cinnamon bun. The cinnamon sugar with the vanilla go crazy. Bacon done in the oven. I told you it's the best way. Bacon looking perfect. Perfection. Alright, so I forgot to record the first egg, but I cracked the first egg. I'm making 2 McGriddles for myself. We'll see if I eat both, whatever. This is how I crack my eggs. Whatever one is ready to be cracked will be cracked if you put them together. Look at that membrane. Okay. Put this one. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. And whisk it. I add the salt after it's cooked. I forgot why, but adding the salt while it's still like in the yolk messes something up, or I don't know. But I put the pepper in while I whisk it. And I'll add a little bit of salt, like right when the eggs are done. All right, now for the eggs, I do have, spray for the eggs, but it's not real eggs or good eggs in my opinion if you're not using butter to make the eggs. So since we're gonna make 2 egg patties, I guess you could say, I'm gonna use a half of, I guess, a tablespoon. We got a little egg pan. Ooh, isn't that cute? Half of an egg pan. Probably was a little bit too much butter, but okay, fudge. It was too much butter. Hold on. Let me take some of this butter out. Okay, all right, that should definitely be enough. All right, and then we're gonna add half the egg because I don't want my eggs burned. I want them this fluffy. That's enough for sure. Gonna cook this down. All right, and then we're going to take some butter for the pancake. Move it around. This is very dangerous. Don't try that at home. That's probably not the smartest idea. All right, and then we got, sorry, 1/4 cup measuring.
No, you wouldn't go. So I would take him outside and literally hold him over the stove. He would use the restrooms. Wow.
Actually, we can do something. Christchurch over here on 2nd
Give me some nectar.
has this
Do what I want. I almost forgot the syrup, but actually it's good to put the syrup in after it's cooked for a little bit. So I'll put the syrup now. Yeah, I should probably put a little bit of butter so it don't bad idea. So it doesn't get too sticky. See, I got my butter cut into cubes ready for the egg. Ready to be used for that. Check on this McGriddle. Ooh, yeah. All right, let me see. Let me get a little. Do I have something to take it out with? I guess I used a spatula. Oh, yummy in my tummy. Hey, we having a fun. Like the good old days. homies. Yeah.
Rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour.
Oh my God, I can't.
Scribble down some new snowfall totals. Dover, Delaware, 6.5 inches. Hocassin, Delaware, also just over 6.5 inches. Burlington, New Jersey,
Right below.
5 inches.
That's so lean.
Pennsylvania, 6
Pretty nice.
so far. And it's still
Hang on.
Norristown, 5.9, and
Hang on.
4 inches. So
Hang on.